Maximize your slow cooker. Benefits of the keep warm setting. The slow cooker or crock pot is a staple of modern kitchens, known for its convenience and ability to deliver flavorful, home-cooked meals with minimal effort. One feature often overlooked, yet highly advantageous, is the keep warm setting. This seemingly simple function can enhance your culinary routine in numerous ways, ensuring meals remain safe, delicious, and ready to enjoy. Below, we explore the many benefits of this setting, offer practical tips for its use, and highlight the best dishes to prepare. The primary function of the keep warm setting is to maintain food at a safe serving temperature after cooking. This prevents bacterial growth by keeping the food out of the danger zone, 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, where harmful bacteria can thrive. Prevents overcooking. Unlike the cooking settings on a slow cooker, the keep warm mode operates at a lower temperature, preventing dishes from continuing to cook. Ideal for long events, for meals served over extended periods, like family gatherings or potlucks. This setting ensures food remains warm and appetizing without drying out or scorching. Life can be unpredictable, and mealtime doesn't always align with your cooking schedule. The keep warm setting allows for incredible flexibility. Prepare in advance. Cook meals in the morning or during downtime and keep them warm until everyone is ready to eat. No need for immediate serving. Whether family members arrive home late or you're juggling multiple tasks, this feature bridges the gap between cooking and serving. Unlike reheating, which can alter the flavor and consistency of food, the keep warm setting helps dishes retain their original integrity. Saucy dishes stay perfect. Stews, soups, and braised meats maintain their velvety textures. Prevents drying. Moisture stays locked in, ensuring foods like casseroles and grains don't become overly dry or sticky. Entertaining often involves juggling various dishes and ensuring everything is served at the right temperature. The keep warm setting eliminates much of the stress. No constant supervision. You can attend to guests without worrying about food cooling down. Perfect for buffets. Guests can serve themselves hot dishes at their convenience, creating a relaxed and enjoyable atmosphere. Slow cookers are known for their energy efficiency, and the keep warm setting continues this trend. Minimal power consumption. The setting uses significantly less electricity compared to ovens or stovetops. Eco-friendly option. By relying on this low-energy mode, you reduce your overall household energy usage. Transition promptly. Switch to the keep warm setting immediately after the cooking cycle ends to prevent overcooking or cooling. Monitor temperature. Use a food thermometer to ensure the temperature stays between 140 degrees Fahrenheit and 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Keep the lid on. Minimize heat loss by keeping the slow cooker's lid securely in place. Adjust liquids as needed. Dishes like stews or grains may thicken over time. Add liquid to maintain consistency. Limit duration. Avoid using the keep warm setting for more than 4 hours to ensure food quality and safety. Proper use of the keep warm setting ensures your meals are safe for consumption. Direct transition. Never allow cooked food to sit at room temperature before switching to keep warm. Reheat before warming. For refrigerated leftovers, heat food thoroughly, to at least 165 degrees Fahrenheit, before placing it on the keep warm mode. Occasional stirring. For dense or thick dishes, stirring ensures even temperature distribution. Inspect before serving. Check for changes in texture, smell, or appearance if food has been kept warm for an extended period. Some dishes are particularly suited to the slow cooker's keep warm mode, as their flavors and textures improve over time. Food. Why it benefits from keep warm. Soups and stews, flavors continue to meld, creating a richer and deeper taste. Chili, the warm setting deepens bold, spicy flavors while keeping it piping hot. Braised meats keeps tender meats juicy and ready to serve without further cooking. Casseroles maintains creamy textures and prevents drying out. Rice and grain dishes keeps grains fluffy and perfectly moist for serving. Hot drinks perfect for mulled cider, hot chocolate, or spiced wine at parties. Breakfast dishes keeps oatmeal, breakfast casseroles, and eggs warm for leisurely mornings. The keep warm setting is versatile and ideal for various scenarios. Delayed serving: if dinner is ready but diners are delayed, this setting keeps the food warm and ready. Meal prep for gatherings, perfect for serving dishes during potlucks or holiday feasts. Workday convenience: prepare meals before leaving for work and keep them warm until you return. Late night meals, ideal for accommodating family members with different schedules. By incorporating the keep warm setting into your meal preparation routine, you can enjoy delicious, hot meals at your convenience while reducing stress and saving energy. This simple yet effective feature transforms the way you use your slow cooker, making it a true ally in your kitchen. From ensuring food safety to preserving flavors, the keep warm setting offers unmatched advantages for both casual meals and special occasions.